part 5th video on community health nursing 2 for the GNM third year students. So in this third unit, that is the health planning in India, we are going to discuss. The topic is the Dr. J.B. Srivastav committee. Okay, in previous videos we have discussed so many of committees, no? Boer committee, Sir Joseph Boer started, Kartar committee, okay, Jangalwala committee, like that. Along with another one committee will be there, that is the Dr. J.B. Srivastava committee. Okay, it will be started in the year of 1975. Okay, what is the use in this? The committee means the government of India is in the health ministry. Okay, the government of India will be started health ministry of health and family welfare. Okay, health and family planning in the year of 1974 in the November month. Okay, Ministry of Health and Family Planning will be there, no? Along with that, 1974 the November month the program will be started. Here what is the reason why the program will be started, why the Dr. J.B. Srivastava committee is started means for medical education. Okay, na? For improving of medical education. Okay, medical education means in this some staff will be there. Okay, some courses will be there, no? GNM, BSc nursing, ANM, MBBS. Okay, from the starting some health voluntaries. Okay, next multi-purpose health workers, some paramedical courses. Okay, what are the staff will be there means they are selected some eligible students, they are giving some course training. Okay, for example our GNM course 3.5 years, no, we are taking some training from the some institutions. Okay, after training we get some registration certificate and we are going to do the some practice in the community, no. Okay, the process will be started from this Dr. J.B. Srivastava committee. Okay, what are the support will be there? The support will be provided or given by the J.B. Srivastava committee to the medical educators. Okay, who is the interested people is there, interested students will be there. Okay, they are taking some support, they are taking some advices from the Srivastava committee. Okay, next support manpower popularly. Okay, some support to the human beings, and the committee is known as the Srivastava committee. Okay, here the training for qualified medical practitioners. Okay, who is the practitioner is there? The practitioner will be taking some training by this Srivastava committee. Okay, the training will be provided for the multi-purpose health workers will be there, no? Okay, the multi-purpose health workers received some training, and what is the reason why they are taking some training means for providing effective healthcare delivery. Okay, now effective healthcare means who is the needed people, they are identified, who is the target people, they are identified, who is the eligible people, they are identified, who is the sick people, they are identified by their knowledge. Okay, through the knowledge, through the practice, through the training, they are give sufficient or qualified care to the people. Okay, next in this especially they are doing work for the family welfare and nutritional services. Okay, for prevention of nutritional disorders. Okay, some nutritional disorders will be there, no? Protein energy malnutrition. Okay, in that marasmus, kwashiorkor. Okay, some diseases will be there due to the imbalanced diet, some vitamin deficiency, some diseases will be there, no? Deficiency of vitamin A, that is the blindness. Okay, deficiency of vitamin K, or deficiency of vitamin B1. Okay, vitamin C, vitamin D. Okay, some diseases will be there, no? Rickets and some scurvy disease. Okay, some beriberi disease. These are the diseases will come who are taking imbalanced diet. Okay, deficiency of vitamins, deficiency of proteins, deficiency of fat, deficiency of carbohydrate. Okay, they are getting some diseases. Okay, for prevention of diseases, for maintenance of normal body nutritive values, they are giving some awareness. Okay, they are providing some service to the population. Next, here they are framing some objectives, and they are submitted some report on the 1975 year in April. Okay, they are submitted some report to the central government. And next, some para-professionals and semi-professionals will be developed. Okay, they are taking some training, they are taking some advices by this Srivastava committee. Okay, for example, who is that semi-para professions or para professions means, for example, school teachers. Okay, what is the role of school teachers in health programs? Okay, is their important role. Why? Because the school childrens, okay, now the childrens will be continuously, okay, many hours they are communicate with the teacher only. They are improving some bonding relationship with the student and teacher. Why? Because the parents only simply sending schools. Okay, the student will be stay in the school from the morning to evening. Okay, they are bonding relationship, they are having communication with the teacher only. Okay, that's why the teacher having well training in the healthcare profession. Why? Because they are providing some awareness, they are providing some preventive precautions. Okay, they are giving some awareness on the nutrition, they are giving awareness on the personal hygiene, they are giving awareness on the environmental hygiene. Okay, they are explained, they are able to explain which is the balanced diet. Okay, they are able to explain what is the disadvantages if we take deficiency of food. Okay, that's why the program will be, the committee will be give some training to the teachers also. Okay, next postmasters or some grama sevakas. Okay, these are the members will be there. Why? What is these members they are working means? These are the members is working for the for providing curative services for the population. Okay, what are the diseases will be there? After disease they did not give any treatment. Before disease they give some awareness, some preventive precautions to the community population. This is regarding Dr. J.B. Srivastava committee in the year of 1975. Okay, next one is the rural health scheme. Okay, the rural health scheme will be started in the year of 1977. What is the goal? Why the rural health scheme? In rural area, so many of number of people will be there, no? Okay, in rural area also the people will be healthy. Okay, health for all by the 2000 ancient days. Okay, 2000 సంవత్సరం వచ్చేసరికి ఈ యొక్క హెల్త్ ఫర్ ఆల్ అనేటటువంటి స్లోగన్స్తో ఆ గోల్తో ఈ యొక్క రూరల్ హెల్త్ స్కీమ్ ఆర్ the program, the committee will be started in 1977. Okay, here the programs will be there, no? Panchavarsha Pranalikalu, 5 years plans. Okay, here the first 5-year plan. Okay, first to 10th 5-year plans will be there. In this, the first 5-year plan started in the year of 1955 to 56. Okay, na, this is the first 5-year plan. ఓకే, మొదటి పంచవర్ష ప్రణాళిక ఏ సంవత్సరంలో స్టార్ట్ అయింది? 1995 నుంచి 90 ఓకే 1995 టు 1956. ఓకే, okay, here the first 5-year plan. Okay, first 5-year plan, మొదటి పంచవర్ష ప్రణాళిక, it will be started in the year of 1951 to 1956. Okay, 5 years will be there, no? Next, second 5-year plan. Okay, the second 5-year plan will be started in the year of 1956 to 1961. Okay, next, third 5-year plan, that will be started in the year of 1961 to 1966. Okay, next, fourth 5-year plan, the plan will be started in the year of 1966 to 1969. Okay, now next, fifth 5-year plan, it will be started in the year of 1969 to 1974. Okay, next 5-year plan, it will be started in the year of 1974 to 1979. Okay, another 5-year plan, it will be started 1980 to 1985. Okay, next 5-year plan, it will be started in the year of 1985 to 1990. Okay, next 5-year plan, 1990 to 1997. Okay, next 5-year plan, 1997 to 2000. Okay, 1997 to 2000. Next 5-year plan, 2002 to 2007. Okay, like that the 5-year plans from the first to 10th 5-year plans will be started. మరి ఎందుకు ఈ యొక్క పంచవర్ష ప్రణాళికలు, ఈ పంచవర్ష ప్రణాళికల వల్ల మనకేం యూస్? ఓకే, హియర్ ద ఫస్ట్ 5-year plan having some goals, some objectives. Okay, what are the goals means for a lack of hygienic environment. Okay, at the time of first 5-year plan, they are having some objectives. Okay, we should not have any lack of that environment sanitation or some type of medical care or some type of economical status or some type of poor nutrition. ఓకే, ఈ పంచవర్ష ప్రణాళిక, మొదటి పంచవర్ష ప్రణాళిక టైంలో మనకు కావాల్సినటువంటి ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ ప్రాపర్గా లేదు, మనకు కావాల్సినటువంటి మెడికల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ప్రాపర్గా లేదు, మనకు కావాల్సినటువంటి ఎకనామికల్ స్టేటస్ ప్రాపర్గా లేదు, మనకు కావాల్సినటువంటి ఆహారం న్యూట్రిషనల్ స్టేటస్ ఆల్సో లేదనమాట. సో బై దిస్ 5-year ప్లాన్, ఈ 5 సంవత్సరాలలో ఈ యొక్క ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ గురించి, న్యూట్రిషన్ గురించి, మెడికల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ గురించి కావలసినటువంటి అవేర్నెస్ పాపులేషన్కి ఇవ్వాలి. ఓకే, మనము సరి అయినటువంటి ఆహార పదార్థాలు తీసుకోవడం వల్ల మన యొక్క ఆరోగ్యం అనేది ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. లైక్ దట్ వీ షుడ్ గివ్ సమ్ అవేర్నెస్ టు ద పాపులేషన్. Okay, like that they are planned first 5-year plan in the year of 1951 to 1956. Okay, second 5-year plan, that is the 1956 to 1961. What is the reason why the second 5-year plan will be there started? Means here development of technical manpower through the appropriate training. Appropriate training ఇచ్చి ఒక man కి కావాల్సినటువంటి పవర్ should be improved. Okay, for fulfilling their basic needs, for fulfilling their economical status, for improving their health, for improving their strength, they are give some training to the population. Okay, next to another 5-year plan, they are started some maternal and child welfare services. Okay, MCH services should be improved. Another one is they are improved, they are focused on the nutrition and they are give some health education to the population regarding personal hygiene or environmental sanitation or literacy. Okay, another 5-year plan, here the goal is the strengthening of district hospitals. Okay, some district hospitals, they are not having proper equipment or proper availability of medications or availability of staff members. Okay, what is the deficiency will be there? The deficiency will be identified and they are fulfilled by this 5-year plan. Okay, next expansion of medical care. What is the medical care will be there? The medical care should be improved, increased. Okay, next to 5-year plan, this development of referral services. Okay, already we have discussed the referral services, like in minor problems PHCs or sub-centers will be cured. If the problem is major, means if the sub-center or PHC did not give any quality of care for reducing the disease condition, immediately the patient should be referred from the minor to major hospitals. Okay, now PHCs to district hospitals, like that. Okay, for improving the quality of care or for maintenance of quality of life of patient. Okay, next 5-year plan, in that growth of Indian economy. Okay, economical status should be increased by this 5-year plan. Next one is the basic needs and food, shelter. Okay, another 5-year plan, they are started for improving the every individual should be fulfill their basic needs. Okay, like food or some shelter, whatever it may be, that will be fulfilled. Okay, so for example cloth or health for all. Okay, now each and every individual should receive some health care facilities by the government. Okay, there are utilization of some healthcare services which is provided by the state government or central government. Okay, next one is the another 5-year plan, universal water supply. Okay, safe drinking water supply. That mission Bhagirath will be there, no? Like that the programs will be started. Andariki neelu andinchadam ane vidhanga. Next one is the literacy prevention. Okay, what is the literacy? Uneducated people should be there, no, in the community. The uneducation should be reduced, education should be increased. ఓకేనా, అందరూ చదువుకోవాలి, అందరికీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అనేది ఉండాలి కంపల్సరీ అనే ఉద్దేశంతో ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ విల్ బి స్టార్టెడ్. ఓకే, లాస్ట్ 9th 5-year ప్లాన్. హియర్ దే ఆర్ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ ద RCH, రిప్రొడక్టివ్ అండ్ చైల్డ్ హెల్త్ కేర్. ఓకేనా, who is the pregnant mothers will be there. The pregnant mothers are suffering with the any health problems or nutritional deficiency disorders or whatever it may be, they are protected. Next, last 5-year plan. Here they are reducing the poverty and they are improving the education and they are reducing the maternal mortality rate and they are reducing the infant mortality rate, as well as they are control of HIV, AIDS and TB diseases. Okay, these are the 5 years plans is there. First 5 years, second 5 year, third 5 year, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th, 10th 5-year plans will be there. Okay.